Hello guys! Today I want to show you how to create free images with Freepik AI. So first, log into your Freepik AI account with your Google Gmail. Now after that, head over to the left sidebar and click on Image Generator. So here, you have to choose the tool of the image generator. You can choose from templates here. So, this is the templates to choose from when creating your image. Skip back. Here you can add a character or a style. You can choose the model of your image. So you have the Auto mode, the Flex 2 Max, the Flex, the GPT mode, so choose the whatever model is that suits your needs. Now you can add also here the prompt of your image, and here you have the points that you want to spend on generating your image. And here, you can choose the size and the width of your image. You want it vertical or horizontal or portrait, etc. And after you're done with these options, click on Generate, and your image will be generated successfully. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.